I have here what is going to be the first of probably very few Lego sets, well, Lego City sets that I will be getting and reviewing for this year, only because I'm not a big fan of them. So let's start off with the minifigs. These are the fronts of them. This one's obviously a police officer. I like the torso, carrying a $100 bill or unit or whatever. And then this guy has like a donut apron that's kind of dripping down. Kind of the same style as the burger truck lady's apron. Flipping them over. This guy has no alternate face, obviously, but she does. So she's sleeping. No extra hairpiece for this guy. And she's got like a very faint police logo on her back, and he's got some drippings on his apron. Moving on to the truck. It's a basic truck based off of a like older, maybe milk truck style, just a commercial cab vehicle, light commercial or like a box truck or something. The back comes off. Looking at the truck, kind of a basic build. These pieces are new.
New piece.
And then we've also got a couple more new pieces. I can't remember what they were. I know this back one was like a whole bracket. So like that's a whole 6-stud wide bracket. Oh, and I don't know if this is completely new, but this whole frame is new to me. Then looking at the donut itself, well, the donut building. I don't know why the colors are so faded on my end. They might not be. But it's just a basic little shop. Donut spins. There is like little icing that dripped down on the roof. It's pretty cool. The roof comes off. No sliding window, which is kind of unfortunate. We got a number 4 and a number 5. However, the number 4 is the only menu item that we see. And I will show in more depth, but these donut pieces are a new print, which is pretty cool. Got a little coffee machine in that area, which is pretty cool. And then just a little pin pad and a coffee mug, and a door on the back, which does open up. I just moved that coffee mug. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Nom nom nom.